Do this and make them pay. Ka-ching. You might be entitled to $1,000 or more per case. Under 15 USC 1692D, debt collectors can't harass, oppress, or abuse you. If you're just tired of debt collectors and you want to get back at the asses, this is what you need to do. All right. So guys, if a debt collector keeps calling or texting you, do this and make them pay. Ka-ching. If debt collectors keep calling you, texting you, leaving voicemail, listen carefully. All right. Every single call could be a federal violation. You might be entitled to $1,000 or more per case, right? What I'm going to show you is how to stop the harassment and turn it into compensation using AI and consumer law. So I know what it feels like. Your phone keeps ringing nonstop, unknown numbers, 1-800 numbers you don't know, states you've never been to Idaho, but you're getting calls from Idaho. I don't know what's going on. Blowing you up at work, even after hours and on weekends. So you tell them to stop, they keep calling. You block one number, they use another. What most people don't know, that it's illegal under the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act and the Telephone Consumer Protection Act. Every unwanted call, text, or voicemail after you said stop cost them, not you. Now, if you get text message and you reply stop and they still proceed to text you, that's a violation too. So what you need to do is play along to find out who the debt collector is that's attempting to collect from you after you told them stop, so you can sue them back. All right. So under 15 USC 1692D, debt collectors can't harass, oppress, or abuse you, call you before 8 a.m. or after 9 p.m. Eastern or standard to your time zone, call you at work if you tell them not to, keep contacting you once you requested them in writing to stop. They should stop. So under the TCPA, if they use automated dialers, pre-recorded messages, or text you without consent, each violation costs them $500 to $1,500 per call. Yet most people never collect a dime because they don't know and they don't keep great documents so that they can use this against these debt collectors. So in Forbidden AI, guys, I'm teaching you how to evaluate situations like this. How do you draft your motions, your statement of claims? How do you sue these debt collectors and get paid for all the violations, all the harassment, all the calls, the text, calling you with your job, calling you at your home, just being a complete nuisance? You can get paid. And this is the secret debt collectors don't want you to know. So if you have been harassed, oppressed, mishandled, if you're just tired of debt collectors and you want to get back at the asses, this is what you need to do. Free general admission ticket. It's not going to cost you anything. Just show up. I'm going to give you a free ticket. Click the link below. Come to the 5-day challenge. I'm going to blow your mind and show you guys how you can take your power back. Not because you allegedly owe a debt. It means that they're supposed to harass you. That's not the America I know. And if you let that keep happening, a person who does not know their rights have no rights. I'll see you on the challenge. It's up to you. You could continue getting the phone calls or you can do something about it. Click the link below. See you on the challenge and let's get rid of these damn debt collectors.